this.
No, we got no! There's toast in there. Who cares if there's a bagel in there? My toast is in there.
It already touched your mouth, so.
I'm confused. Why are we mad?
Because I put it on bagel setting.
It's a piece of
Emmy, what are you
bread,
having
not
on
a
your bagel?
bagel. I don't care if there's a
What are you having
bagel
on your
in there.
bagel?
You don't put it on bagel for bagels
Baby.
or toast. That's just weird.
Well, you're gonna have toast.
Bagel setting.
Chill out, girl.
Bringing my glasses.
The heck? Why are bobby pins in a sawdust bucket?
The bobby pins into the sawdust bin.
Oh! I tried to open it one day and it just exploded.
Okay, you have to clean it up though.
Why?
Because that's how it works when you make a mess. Even if it's an accident, you clean it up. You don't leave it for somebody else.
I cleaned up the ones that weren't in the sawdust.
Well, that's good. I'll pull the sawdust bin out for you and you can clean them out of there too. You guys match.
Emily! I'm not trying to do that! She always does that. It's a camera, okay. The Canadians have to. Aren't you always having avocado toast for breakfast?
No, usually I have it for lunch. Today I felt like it for breakfast. Are you gonna be really careful?
Yep. But I can't do it.
You can't do what?
The backflip.
Oh, okay. Don't do it then.
I can't do it. But I can do this one.
Somersault?
Yeah. I can do that one, but not in here.
Oh yeah, not on the wood. You
No.
need to do it on something soft.
Yeah.
Stuff that way.
Gigi textbooks. Yeah. Mixed up with my dad taught me in kindergarten. And I don't want some stuff. But go to add that. To have it, but you can't get me. I hate that. You learned that in kindergarten. What are you feeling?
Bye.
You see that piece of hair? That was in my mouth.
That's gross.
Oh no.
Can you clean up that Lego for me?
I can't sit down. There's a bush right there.
Come on, Justy, clean up the Lego fast.
Why?
So get a video clip of you doing it fast.
I spend most of my time.
Ta-da!
Emily, where'd you come from?
Why?
Because then we are about to get lunch.
I'm gonna fix it also don't have flies.
Thank you.
Got some good news. We didn't take care.
We have a strawberry.
Good news.
What do we do? You want strawberry?
Yeah. Strawberry banana.
So Toby and Dad are working
woodworking with a friend right now, so they're not here.
It was really cold this morning for Louisiana. There was a thick layer of frost on the ground when we got up. It looked like it had snowed, but it had not. But now the sun's come out and and it is gorgeous out. For lunch, we're making smoothies for the kids and a salad for me and Adri.
Papa, are you done?
It's like how it looks. How many kids do we have again?
I'm gonna serve one.
I still can't believe that you ditched us in the movie theater. Me and Toby went and saw the new Spider-Man in theaters with one of our friends.
What is up, y'all? Today we're gonna be going to Spider-Man No Way Home for the second time because she hasn't seen it yet. So we're all gonna go again. So it's gonna be fun.
And Toby's paying for it all because I refuse.
I have money.
I'm paying for it.
I
guess.
have money.
I'm paying.
I have money.
I'm paying.
I have money.
I'm paying.
I have money.
I'm paying.
Okay, but
She
I got my wallet.
No, she's got money.
wait, do I have to go to?
So do I.
So, it was fun. I already seen it one time. It was my second time going, but she'd never seen it, so we got to take her. Oh, we got rice vinegar. Oh, don't spill his cup. This is my amazing invention. It's called a salad. No. I took a regular salad recipe and added a bunch of random stuff to it, and now me and my mother love it, but everyone else hates it. It's delicious. It's sour, it's salty, it's savory, it's amazing. I'll put the recipe in the description.
Say that again.
Take what you want, I like the rest.
You will. I think that's part of the game.
I see daggers in your smile. There's a cruelty in your face I haven't seen for a while. And I place my trust in your hand, but you threw it to the wind. So just say you're sorry. No, you're gonna meet again. Oh no, and there's no excuses to be clueless.
What happened today? Your face.
Looks like it's still frozen. You do know.
I took it all the way and then what's in there, Mom?
Beets.
Oh, beets. Sometimes I like beets. You know that?
Just sometimes, not all the time.
Yeah. Sometimes. No?
Sounds bigger than 6 million.
There's differently.
What if they do get that much and then they can't convince him?
Then they lose all their subscribers.